Yes. So we are talking about day three topic that is called CONCAT. So in CONCAT, you can see some of the names coming, Bob, Thomas, and there is already given names. So I'm going to delete this to show you practical example. So we have first name here, we have last name here, we have full name, but it is completely blank. Then we have some examples of ingrate.com so that I can help you to make email address here. So there are two formula or function that we can say concatenate and concat. What's the difference between both of them? When we say concatenate, so this is older version of that same formula. Uh, we had some limitations over there. We cannot drag the cell in that. We will have to provide the entire, individual columns in that functions. And when we talk about concat, this is coming with a great feature. I'll show you practical example. So if you go concatenate like this, I hope you can see. So if let's take this example first. So I'm taking my first text. I'm putting a comma as the function was saying the same. And when then I'm putting the inverted comma in between, giving one space, inverted comma close, then closing with a comma again. Then we are selecting this name. And then we are closing the bracket. Problem solved. What concat will do over here? When I say concat, this is again same as I told you. This is older and new from way to get this formula. This will work with the latest version of the Excel after the 2016 version of Excel. So again, I'm taking this, but can I select both of them? If I can select both of them for sure, but again, this will be helpful when we are going for writing the email address. Right now, I'm not selecting in this way. So it will be again comma, inverted comma, space, inverted comma, close, and this will be treated as text too. Space is also character, especially special characters. It is invisible for sure, but again, we can see that we have a space in between. Now we are selecting this and a problem solved. Well, this is a function, so we can quickly drag it like this. And it is working for me for the other names as well, so I can save my a lot time. When I say email address, can we work over here with concat? Yeah, for sure. I will be taking both of the name altogether, comma. In between, we don't need space anymore because in email address, we never keep space. So I'm typing here at the rate, I'm closing it. At the rate is also special character, so I'm putting a comma, then I'm selecting this and problem solved. But what I see that, okay, Bob and Thomas coming with their first letters into uppercase, how we can fix this? How we can fix this, right? And also, if I want to put a dot in between, then what I can do? Well, first of all, I'm going to show you how it can be converted into lowercase. So I'm deleting this formula. Well, I'm using, first of all, lower text, lower function. Okay. Then I am typing here concat. When I'm typing concat, well, I'm taking both of them together like this, putting a comma there, then at the rate, when I'm closing with the at the rate, putting a comma again. And after that, what? We need to select this, close the bracket, and enter. Okay, so it's shifty. But what if I want to mention dash or dot in between? That's really not a problem. Just go here, insert a column here. Just make it like a special character, a special character. So I'm typing into short, let's say, and for now, I'm just putting here dash. Let's imagine I'm putting here dash. So now you can see that there is a dash now. There's a hyphen. If I'm putting a dot there, then it will put a dot over there. So it will make my work easy. Can't I just go there and drag it like this? So there's no dot with the other names because I don't have any dot in between. Let's say I'm putting some number in between for this. Let's say I'm typing here 110 in this. I mean, it can be date of birth for anyone. When I'm typing again dash and we call it hyphen basically. When I'm putting underscore, then it will show the underscore. I hope you can see. Again, I'm typing underscore. It is coming with the underscore. Then 123. So in between, it will be 123. Then again, I'm typing dot and dot and let's say dot, all sorted. And when you don't want anything in between, you can directly go and delete this, and things are like all sorted. It is not coming with any of the in between like text, and all the email addresses are into lowercase. Well, you can check the formula here as well. You can change it from here as well. Yeah. All right. So for now, I'm not changing it, but I can show you one more interesting thing. When you, for an example, you forgot the putting the concat function. So we do have flash fill as well. How to work with the flash fill? You just need to type manually the first name and the last name. And let me just show you the magic. You have to press Control E, and then boom, like this. You can save a lot of time. Will it work with the email address? For sure, it will work with the email address. What you are supposed to do, what you are supposed to do when if you will it work with the concat? Like if in that case, if I'm showing you this, or let's say I'm just typing here. Will this work? I mean, the flash file will copy the same, the first one. Let me check that will this work or not. And then, so I'm just going here, pressing Control E. Well, it will not work with the, proactively provided the function. In that case, you will have to type Bob and then let's say Thomas at the rate in grade.com. Yeah, that's what we can do. If I press Control E, it will work for me. Imagine for the first time I'm typing here Bob, right? Well, Bob dot Thomas and at the rate in grade.com. And then if you press Control E, it will convert. It will not work like this. We have to delete all of this. And then we are moving here. Now look at this. So definitely you can work. And in between, if you press like let's say another column with different numbers and symbols, and if you take the first one with the correct symbol, then it will automatically copy the other symbol. But in next class, we will definitely talk about more examples. But I hope you enjoyed the class of the concat function and flash fill. And trust me, with the help of this, you will be working like a pro again, and you can save a lot of time of yours. And for the others as well, you can guide them that how to handle the concat functions. Well, let's meet in the next class. We'll talk more about the next topic, and that is called cell reference. Till that time, bye bye and take care. Have a nice day and evening, whatever you have there. Okay, so yep.